WRCA finals, you can get your boots signed, too. Were you rough when you first started out?
Nasty.
Say nasty, what was that?
I can't say on TV.
I think so. Okay, I see somebody we need to talk to. I know his name's Bruce Bingham because he won some kind of little award, or maybe he was really close to winning it. What is it? What'd you do last year?
One coffee.
This is what I'm talking about. You know the saddle we're going to go look at, the top end saddle, that Oliver saddle we donated? Do you have one of those? That they gave you last?
Yes.
All right. See you later, Bruce. I'm standing here.